Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about variables and constants. PHP is called as dynamically typed language or weakly typed language, or sometimes it is also referred as loosely typed language. The reason is while declaring variables in PHP, we need not to mention data types explicitly. So PHP automatically determines the type of a variable based on the value assigned to it. So that's why it's called as loosely typed programming language. And in PHP, the variable name must be prefixed with the dollar symbol. So whatever the name prefixed with the dollar symbol, that will be automatically interpreted as a variable. And here the type of a variable is depends on the value assigned to the variable. Suppose if I assign value 0 to the variable, it will be treated as integer variable. Suppose if I assign any fraction type of value to the variable, it will be automatically considered as a floating point variable. If I assign any string to any kind of string to the variable, automatically that variable will be a string. So what I am trying to tell you, in PHP, we need not mention the data type explicitly. The type of a variable directly depends on the value assigned to the variable. Suppose if I assign integer value, the type of variable will be integer. Suppose if I assign fraction value, the type of variable will be floating point variable. Suppose if I assign character or string to the variable, the type will be character or string. So it depends on the value assigned to it. That's why it's called as loosely typed language. Type in PHP, typecasting is a very simple procedure. The target type should be mentioned, that should be enclosed within a parenthesis. In this example, total quantity is an integer type variable. Yes, I am doing typecasting from integer to float. Yes, the target type is float. In this example, the target type is float. So that target data type must be enclosed within a parenthesis. You can easily do the typecasting in PHP by enclosing a target data type within the brackets. Constants in PHP, uh, you can define constants by using a define function. Define is a function. Here it requires two parameters. First parameter should be the constant name, and second parameter should be the value. And the example is define voting age. Voting age is the constant name, 18 is the value, constant value. So variable, which means the value of a variable which may change during the program execution. Constant means it's a fixed, which doesn't change during the program execution. There is a difference between variable and constant. Variable means which may change during program execution. Constant means it's a fixed, it won't change during the program execution. Variable scope, PHP, in PHP, uh, uh, there is a super global variables. Super global variables are also called as auto global variables. As its name implies, we can use super globals anywhere in the script, maybe inside the function or outside the function or within any place within the script. Either it may be inside the function or outside the function. PHP offers many types of super global variables. Auto globals or super globals are usually associative arrays, whose elements are referred to with an alphanumeric key instead of an index number. So these are the variable scope. Thank you.